For today's dinner, I'm making a family favorite, Pastel Azteca poblano. You guys are gonna love this one. We're gonna start off by blending 6 garlic cloves in 1 cup of water. I'm gonna be adding this mixture when I cook the chicken. This is so that your chicken flavor is not too strong, but if you don't mind it, you can always skip this step. My pot is set to medium-high heat with about 7 cups of boiling water, and we add the mixture. We also add half a white onion, salt, and the chicken. I'm using 3 pounds of chicken thighs, or you can use chicken breast. Cook for about 45 minutes. And here I have 4 roasted poblano peppers. I'm gonna peel them and remove the seeds. I will be cutting 2 of them into smaller pieces, and the other 2 will go in the blender. The chicken has been cooking for about 45 minutes. Remove from the heat, and once it cools down, we shred it. Then in a pot set to medium heat with water, I'm gonna boil 6 tomatillos and 1 serrano pepper. Boil until they change color. It's been about 4 minutes. They're ready, and we add them to the blender, along with 1 cup of water. Then we add 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese, the 2 roasted poblanos, quarter of a white onion, 2 garlic cloves, small bunch of cilantro, 1 can of media crema, 2.5 teaspoons of chicken bouillon, and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. We blend and set aside. Now to make the filling, my pan is set to medium heat, and I'm gonna add some oil. Once hot, we add half a white onion, 3 minced garlic cloves, and we saute for about a minute. Then we add 1 can of corn, the 2 diced poblanos, and we add the chicken. Season with salt, pepper, and mix until well combined. Next, we add the salsa, and make sure to reserve about 1.5 cups of the salsa for the end. Mix it in, and this is the perfect time to check for salt. Lower the heat, let it simmer for about 5 minutes, and set aside. Now I'm gonna fry about 20 tortillas for about 10 seconds on each side. Once done, we can start assembling our Pastel Azteca. I'll be using this 9x13 baking dish. We start by adding a layer of tortillas, a layer of the filling, spread it evenly. Now some cheese. I'm adding Monterrey Jack, but you can add the melting cheese of your choice. Now we repeat the process until we run out of filling. So we add some tortillas, filling, cheese, and for the last layer, we add tortillas and some of the salsa that we reserved. And finally, more cheese. Now we bake in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes, and this is optional, but I like to broil for 2 to 3 minutes to get that nice crispy layer on top. And our Pastel Azteca is done. Now I'm gonna cut myself a piece. Some people call this the Mexican lasagna. All right, guys, and now for the moment of truth. Cheers. Oh my God, guys, this, honestly, the texture, the flavor, the sauce, everything hits together. This is this is the perfect combo. It's Mexican food at its best. If you've never had Pastel Azteca, you really need to try this recipe. I kept it easy and simple, so you should definitely make it. And there you have it, delicious Pastel Azteca. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.